So we got one of these Ring doorbell smart camera things, and it's pretty cool, I gotta admit.
Someone is at the front door.
Alexa, answer the front door.
Okay.
Who's there?
We're here.
Who's that?
Me.
Hello, me.
Just think.
All right.
Mom.
She's right here. Say hey.
Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
Hey.
Hi, Mom.
All right, y'all come in.
Got it.
I'm going to walk you through the install. First off, what you get in the box, we got the battery version, and you can wire this up. You can get a hardwired version, or you can even hardwire this thing, but the battery lasts forever. I'm serious. We're going months without having to charge this thing. It's been way impressive, way more impressive than I thought it would be. So out of the box, you get the camera. I mean, this is the basic unit. This is the main beef, and here you get a USB-C charger, standard issue, and that little orange tool thingy, that's how you pry off the bottom of it to get this off of the mount outside to charge it. The first thing it wants you to do, of course, is to charge it. You press that button back there and it starts doing its sync thing so that you can connect it up with the Alexa app, which is where you're going to set everything up. Once you download that, if you haven't already got it, it'll walk you through the process of setting it up, charging it, installing it. It's even got visual diagrams and little video deals like this for the install process. I'm going to walk you through how I did it in my brick wall outside. It really is not that complicated, but it does walk you through and it holds your hand the whole time if you need that. Now, first off, you've got this little frame thing, and that's it. You just bolt this to the wall. So how do we bolt it to the wall? Well, I had to drill into the seams of the brick where the mortar is. That was able to be drilled into. I tried to drill into the brick itself. You can do that if you have the proper build drill bit. I do not. So you know what? I didn't even fool with getting a drill bit. I just left it like this, because 3 screws was plenty to hold this little thing in place. I thought about putting it over here on the molding, but it would have required an attachment and something to makeshift and actually build custom. And so we just left the existing doorbell. Works fine, still works. This thing works in tandem next to it. People just go to the Ring because they expect it to be the one that everybody pays attention to. So all you got to do is throw some screw anchors in here, smash them into place with a hammer. My son was able to handle this, so I am sure that you can too. And once those are flush with your wall, and you kind of just have to make do. If you're putting it into mortar here, you gotta have to eyeball it to make sure that it does remain flush. I didn't do any kind of like sanding or chiseling or whittling down. No, nothing. I just put the frame here, put the 3 screws instead of the 4 into the wall, and it was totally fine. Now, on the last one up here, I did encounter something you'll probably run into. I went too far in, see how the frame kind of bent, so I had to pull that out just a little bit so that it is kind of flush. And after that, you just put this on. And we had a little bit of trouble putting it on. You have to go to the top first and then push the bottom down. There's little clips on the bottom that punch it into place once you kind of hook the top on the back there. So I'm hooking it on and then I'm pressing it in so that it's secure, and then it works. I mean, that's all you're doing here. You're just hanging the frame on the wall and then clipping this into place. From there, you can go back into the Alexa app and set up all the different settings, customize this as little or as much as you would like to. You can add it to your home. You can put it into routines if you need to somehow, and then you can monitor things anytime. There's how you can just see what's the camera is viewing at all times. You can change the doorbell sound. So that sound we heard at the start of the video, that was set up custom right here in the settings in the Alexa app. I've been quite pleased with this, and again, the battery charge has been more than sufficient to not regret the purchase of the battery version.